Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Aishwaryatube and today I'm back with yet another video for you guys. So in our previous video, we learned how to make a simple basic HTML project, and this is a portfolio website that we have built. However, we missed two things in this portfolio project. The first thing is this fav icon. So the icon that you see next to the title of your page is called as the fav icon. Right now I have it. Actually, I've removed it from the project, but you can still see it because it is cached. But I will show you exactly how we can add this fav icon in your HTML project. And the second thing that we missed doing was to add links in our website. Now, the full form of HTML is hypertext markup language, and this screams hyperlinks. There should be links in your website that can link your existing website with other websites on the internet, or that can link multiple pages on your website itself, because one website can have different pages, right? You can have a home page, you can have an about us page, contact page, etc. So if you want to link these different pages on one website, then also you can make use of links. So today we will be learning exactly this. So if you are at all interested, then let's get started with today's video, shall we? So first things first, in order to add this fav icon, we have a website that we can visit, and that is favicon. Just type favicon generator, and this is the website favicon.io. So you can go to this website, and basically this website will give you different types of favicons that will be working on different devices. In this case, you can only take an emoji, for example. So if you don't have a company, then of course you won't have a logo, right? So usually favicons are nothing but logos of businesses and companies. But in this case, since you're creating your own portfolio, and if you don't have a logo, then you can choose any emoji. So you can just come here and click on this, which is emoji to icon. If you have a logo, then you can select PNG to icon. In this case, you will get several emojis which you can turn into favicons. So my favorite color is blue, so I am using this blue heart as my favicon. And here there will be instructions for you to make it easy to install these favicons in your project. So here they have said that these favicons will be downloaded in different sizes, which is needed. And then here they have given steps to install the favicon. So here you can clearly see that after downloading this, you will get a zip file. All you have to do is extract that zip file, and these are the files that you need to include in your HTML project. And after including these files, you will have to paste these links in the head of your HTML. So let's do one thing, let's download this for now. And once downloaded, you can extract the zip file and paste all those files in the images folder. So after downloading and extracting, this is how all the files look like. And you can see that these are the files that we need to add at the root of our project. This is something that we read in the installation docs, right? So we will do just that. We will select all these files except the about file, and we will copy it inside the images folder. We are not pasting them in the root of our project, we are pasting them in the images folder. And now, as per the docs, all we have to do is include these links. So these are also called as link tags. Now in our next few videos, we will also learn about these link tags. This link tag will be used to link our external CSS file with our index.html. These link tags will also be used to link external fonts. So if you are using Google fonts, then you will have to access those Google fonts through these link tags. So these link tags will be used if you want to access some external resource. Okay. Right now we are accessing the fav icon using these link tags. So copy this and go to the head. So this is the head of your HTML file. Just before the title, you can paste this. Make sure that your indentation is proper so that it should look good. It will work nonetheless. Now, one thing that you need to notice here is that they had asked us to add the icons, the fav icons, in the root of your project. And using the link tags, we are trying to access the fav icons. And this is the reference that we have. This href attribute references all the images and then links those images to the HTML site. And if you observe carefully, you will realize that we don't have any reference of the images folder. So this is like giving reference directly to Apple Touch icon.png, but Apple Touch icon.png is not there in the root of our project, right? If Apple Touch icon.png was there in the root of our project, then we could access this PNG file. But right now it is inside my images folder. So I need to give that reference to this href attribute. So what will we do right now? We will just change this to /images, and then we will write the name of the file. So we are going to be doing it in this way for these links just at the beginning. So for all these links, right, just at the beginning, we will say /, which means my current directory. So // is my current directory. I'm in index.html. So at the same hierarchy of index.html, what do I have? I have an images folder, and I have again the index.html, the file itself. But I want to access the files that are there inside the images folder. So I will just say images, and that's it. Okay. So now I'm referencing the right file names. Right now I'm referencing the right file names that are there inside my images folder. With this, you will be able to see the favicon in your portfolio website as well. So just refresh and you will be able to see this blue heart next to your title, next to the title of your website. Okay. So one thing is done. We have successfully added a favicon to our project. Now the next thing is remaining, wherein we will be adding links to our HTML project so that you can link your site with another site that is already there on the internet. Now for that, we can come back to our code, and in our code, in the context section, we will add some social media links. Okay. So right after the form, we are done with the form, right? So you can close the form like this. And right after the form, we will add one h2 tag, and I will just say hit me up on, and I will add one emoji, like the down arrow emoji. So hit me up on, and then I will add some links to social media sites. So in order to add links, we use anchor tags that are depicted like this. Anchor tags, these are also called as A tags. Now inside the A tag, you will write the content, the text that you want the user to see. For example, if I want the user to see Facebook, only Facebook, then I will write Facebook alone. Okay. Now if I want the user to see LinkedIn, okay, to see LinkedIn, then I will write LinkedIn here. Similarly, I can create other anchor tags for Instagram. These are the popular social media sites, right? And I can create another anchor tag for Twitter, which is now known as X. Now doing these things will only show the content on your website, something like this. If I refresh, then you'll be able to see Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram and X. But these are not links, right? If I click on them, I'm not going anywhere. So in order to link this text to the actual website or to some website, we need to add the href attribute, which is providing the reference. So remember, when we added the links, the reference to these file names was given by the href attribute. Similarly, if I want to give a reference to another site, to this text, then I will have to use the href attribute. So href, right now I can use like https www.facebook.com. Similarly for LinkedIn, right now I think I have logged into my LinkedIn account. So rather than going to linkedin.com, I will just say google.com. Let's take help of search engines here. And I will do the same here, and I will go to yahoo.com. So you can go to any website, okay? You can actually take the URL of your profile and then paste the profile URL here so that anyone can visit your profile if they click on these links. So that depends on you. Here I will just choose bing.com and I will save this, okay? So why I used other URLs is because I have logged into my social media profiles. So I wanted to actually open the links and show you. So I don't want to show you my account. So that's why I have not used the actual social media profile links. Now in this case, if I click on LinkedIn, I should ideally go to google.com because that's the reference that I have given to the href attribute, okay? So after clicking on LinkedIn, I'm going to google.com. It's successful. If I go back, after clicking on Instagram, I should go to yahoo.com. Yeah, so I am going to yahoo.com. So if you have realized this, then yahoo.com and google.com are the sites that were already there on the internet. All I did was I linked those sites with my site, and that is what hyperlinks are for, right? And that is why HTML is called as hypertext markup language. So other pages, other sites that are there on the internet can be connected with your website using these links. And one more thing that we studied right now is attributes. So I said this a lot of times, attributes, but what exactly are attributes? So H2 is a tag, form is a tag, section is a tag. Similarly, link is a tag, but these tags have attributes that add meaning to these tags. For example, a tag or the anchor tag is nothing without the href attribute, right? So if I don't provide a reference to a particular website, then an anchor tag is nothing but a paragraph tag that will show me text or that will show me content, right? So if I want to make this anchor tag function as an anchor tag, then I need the help of its attribute, which is href. Similarly, we have used an image here, right? Somewhere here, yeah, this is the image. Now img is the tag that will display an image, but if it doesn't have an src attribute, a source attribute, then I will never be able to access the image that I want to display. So remember that attributes add value to the tags, or attributes make the tags special, and there are many such attributes that you will find in a lot of tags. So this is all for today's video. This was a short video to just wrap up our existing basic HTML project. From next video onwards, we will be learning CSS techniques. We will be learning about CSS properties, and to say the least, we will be adding colors to our website. We will be giving layouts to our website. We will be adding width, height, and positioning our elements properly on our website. And all of this will be done using a project. So there's no theoretical knowledge here. You will get theoretical knowledge, of course, wherever it is needed, but more so you will learn it by project-based learning. So stay tuned for the CSS tutorial. I hope that you liked this tutorial. If you did, then please don't forget to like this video. Also share it with your other friends and subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye.